How to cancel orders on Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application and get logged into your Temu account. And from here, tap on the Use section in order to view your order. At this page, you will see your orders. Tap onto it. You will see 5 tabs here. That is all orders, processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Now, if you have just added an order, you will be able to see it right under processing. If the order has already been shipped, there is no possibility where you can delete or remove your order. So make sure it's under processing. If you see your order here, simply tap onto it and cancel it. Give it any reason that you would like, and you will see all of the cancelled orders under All Orders tab. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you had found this to be helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.